You have a Hisense Smart TV, the Android TV version. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step right out of the box. First thing is choose your language. So I'm going to go with English here. Click on OK. Pick your country. Mine's the United States here. You can use your Android phone to transfer your phone's Wi-Fi as well as your Google account. So you can continue to do that, or you can skip. I'm just going to go ahead and skip it. Go ahead and choose your connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Mine's right there. Go ahead and put in your password here. And after you put your password in, you're just going to go ahead and click on enter, or just move over here. Oops, right there, and click on OK. Connected successfully to the internet. Please wait. Here's your Google sign if you want to sign into. If you don't, you can go ahead and skip it. Okay, I don't need this, but you can always skip it and always go back later on to sign in. You have to accept the terms of service from Google, so go ahead and click on OK. And then this is up to you. Location services, you can go no or yes. I just go yes. Help improve Android, you can go ahead and send any crash information to them. Click on yes, or you can do no. It doesn't matter. I'll just go with yes. And then install all the following apps. YouTube TV, sure. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue. They're both checked right there. Click on continue. And then this is a quick walkthrough. You can go ahead and press right on the remote or press on OK. Get apps from the Google Play Store. That's how you're going to download apps and whatnot from the Google Play Store, just like your Android phone. You can go ahead and talk to the Google Assistant. You can cache your TV or cache your phone onto the TV. Text to speech. I want my normal, so I'm just going to go ahead and OK right there. My time zone in Los Angeles is Pacific time or Pacific region. Select TV mode. Of course, you want home. You don't want store mode, so we're going to go with home here. Select home mode. It's highlighted on yes already. Click on OK on the remote. Tuner mode. I don't have antenna or cable, so you can always skip this and go back to this. Okay, I'm just going to click on cable here because it's asking me to choose one, and I'm just going to go down here and skip the scan. Okay, it's finished, and click on OK right there. Here's a disclaimer that you must accept. And you can go ahead to the website, the web address there, and register your TV if you want. Okay, I never usually register my TVs. Anyway, there you go. You guys are up and running, and you're ready to rock and roll. Good luck.